it the right time to invest, or is it the time that Bitcoin can go to the moon now directly, or is it the time that the Bitcoin is going to crash? So we
So
are how Bitcoin is going to perform in the future. According to technical analysis, is the time to invest in the Bitcoin, or is it time to just hold, or is it time to just get out? So we are going to see every single condition that can happen in Bitcoin with the perspective of technical analysis, because fundamentally we all know that Bitcoin is a very good coin. Means Bitcoin is a very good, you can say it is not a currency, it is like you can say it is an asset. So Bitcoin is a great asset, but according to technical analysis we are going to see how much far it can go, and in how much time it can go, and is it the right time to invest, or is it the time that Bitcoin can go to the moon now directly, or is it the time that the Bitcoin is going to crash? So we are going to see all this probabilities. First, we will start analysis from the monthly time frame. As we know, we are going to look in this video for the you can say, long-term view. So here in the monthly time frame, if I will just this off, I will just off this. If I will just off this so that the chart would be more clear to all of you. Just wait for a minute. Just clear all this. Wait for a minute. This one, this one, this one. Okay, done. So here we can see that the market, that Bitcoin has made a double top from the upside, declining from this supply zone, this high resistance based supply zone. Here we can see that what is currently happening, that Bitcoin is on a bull run towards the upside. It has broken this we call a falling wedge. So basically it can go, it is the right time to invest in this. So first we will discuss about this. We can see that there was a support downwards 15,000 and 16,000 round off to, so it has taken support from these zones, this breakout level. So now this is the right time to invest in Bitcoin. Yes, the right time to invest in the Bitcoin is this, because there you will got, I think so, one opportunity or two. I think two you will get. So here you can see we have a breakout of this candle of this pattern, and then we are going to a bull run. So it can do a slight retest and then go. So you can just take also invest also in this retest, or you can invest it now. So both are the right time to invest in the Bitcoin. Number second, can Bitcoin go more down? Yes, because every question and every situation has 50-50% of winning and 50-50% of losing. Means Bitcoin either can go to the moon, or either can it go to zero. So this has 50-50% probability, but according to our analysis, this 50% probability goes to directly to the 80% probability, and this of crashing, it goes to 20% probability, because we have so many good things about Bitcoin. Here we can see that we have a support here. If you will go to the weekly time frame, you will see that the market has made a this type of pattern previous time, because history repeats. It doesn't repeat in us in the same manner, but it repeats. So here we can see that previously what happened was market was also forming this type of pattern. Means market was also forming this type of pattern, like here we can see this type of pattern, or number like here we can see this type of pattern, here we can see this type of pattern. So what basically happened, that it firstly shows you a breakout. It firstly shows you a breakout, and then it shows you a fake out, and then another breakout. Simply we will try to understand it more better. First it shows you a breakout. In this case here we can see we have got a nice breakout. It firstly shows you breakout, and then it shows you fake out, then it shows you fake out, and then the real bull run happens. And in the second case, same pattern like this, it was the same pattern. Basically it was a flag. Okay, so it was the same pattern. First it shows you breakout, then fake out, then breakout. So the real breakout happens after the failing of two times of a particular pattern. So here we can see that yeah, it firstly it showed you a breakout. Firstly it showed you a like type of an, this was the pattern now, I will mark it correctly. This was the something like this was the pattern. So first it showed you some breakout, then fake out, then the real breakout. So this is the first time when it is showing a fake out, then a breakout. So we can expect that the market can go higher and just create another flag and do the same process repeat. So by making that flag, it can just retest these levels. So you will be getting this price at least once more. So you can invest it later on, but you can invest it also. So the best strategy to invest will be 50% here, 50% here, 50% on the retest. Okay, because the retest can happen. I'm not talking about it will 100% happen, but it can happen. So basically it should happen from this point of supply zone. It should happen from this point of supply zone, I believe that. But if you add 50% quantity here and it doesn't take any retest, you should add 50% more, 50% here, so you will have 100%, thereby saving your capital. Number second thing, if it goes to the downward, if it goes to the downward like this point, this point, this point, so what you can do, you have 50% quantity here, you will add more 50 here. By just averaging your price will come to here. So it is a very good strategy that I am giving you. So the conclusion of this video is that the Bitcoin can now have a bull run by just halting here for some months. It will halt here and then it will go to the upper sides. So the conclusion is the market can go for a bull run, and if not, it will go on testing these supply levels. So on these demand levels, so you can just also buy it here. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you got what you are looking from in this video. So thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like, share, and do subscribe the channel.